let's see what is the guidance from the divine in a situation, or what is the answer to your question. Divine is telling you, you are not in a proper understanding of a situation. You are misled, or you are misguided, or you are not actually understanding the intensity of a situation or depth of a situation. That's why you are trying to escape it. But the problem here is, this will happen naturally once you start doing your work and will start, embodying the energy of a person that you are truly. You have to become a person, like the work that you are doing, you have to continue doing that work, and through your work you'll understand everything about yourself. So it's like divine is also telling you, if you don't understand somebody else's perspective and somebody else do not understand your perspective, it's time for you to stick to your grounds. The only problem and the only mistake that you did was you change your perspective, or you try to shift and mold yourself according to other people. So the only thing that you have to do is to keep doing whatever you have thought about and keep going in the right direction, keep moving in a straight line, and you will soon reach to your destination. And the destination will be, you don't have to beg for somebody's attention. You don't have to beg to somebody to come back to your life, or to be in your life, or be my spouse or something. God is telling you, a person like you should not beg to anyone. A person like you should not be in a way to prove yourself to somebody. If somebody can't see you for who you are, that person, that situation is actually not right for you, or that person himself is not capable enough to understand. Sometimes this can be the truth. Don't always think that I have some problems, or something wrong has happened. Understand that the person you are thinking about is not the exact person that the person is. Or sometimes the problem is the person is not actually that much capable to handle a person like you, or they don't have the understanding of life in that detail. They live in a superficial way. They go for money, they go for their own career success, so they don't care about the deeper aspects of love and relationships. Maybe that's what this is true for them. So you should not choose a person and a partner because you really love somebody and that person is so selfish. You feel suffocated around such a person. So God is telling you to understand yourself first, and then believe two people can only be together if their nature is matching, or there is something, a good match to that. And it can also work out. If you really want to make something work out, it will work out. But the other person, either they have to understand something about this connection. If the connection is strong enough, it will not break. But if it's already like somebody is thinking like that, or their own benefit is greater than your emotions, then okay. So yeah, the cheating deception part has already played out. The God is telling you, I already told you, this world is not about emotions and all. This world is all about money. This world is all about their selfish desires, motives. And somebody was trying to mold you according to their own will. But now God is telling you, you have to do my work and do my work and simply step back. If you are not interested in somebody that way, then please step back. And if you are interested, then see, but let's see. God is actually trying to tell you, somebody coming back to your life, or somebody saying sweet words to you, is not an indication that that person should be trusted. They can be saying it, but you can be much more intelligent than that person or situation. So yeah. Now God is telling you to embrace this energy where you can be emotionally stable, financially stable, physically, mentally, emotionally. Every aspect of your life is under your control. Once you become this kind of a person, then you will choose your partner. Then you can choose a right partner for yourself. If you feel like somewhere you are not in that control, then you should not choose or postpone the decision for right now. I feel like in the situation, this can be any spirituality related or spiritual. This can be a guru or the mentor or a disciple situation going on, or you can be seen as a child and somebody see themselves as a mentor or a spiritual guide, and they wanted you to be completely devoted to them, which is not going to be possible, because of something that they are doing, and because of you as a person, you have your own perspective. But so I think you have to do something else about it. God is telling you to step away from the situation and see the situation for what it is. Yes, there was somebody else was interfering, and your behavior of being completely careless created a misunderstanding that this person is actually non-committal, and this no contact situation is actually not good for you. But yes, once you heal yourself, only then you will understand your karmic patterns, and then you will be able to move on from a situation, or there will be a clarity around the situation. The card of Temperance in reverse, and I have the card of 10 of Pentacles. So this is what it is. Yeah.